Hello! In this video we are going to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this Motorola Moto E40 smartphone. If we'll launch the settings, enter the display category and expand the available time values for the screen timeout option, we'll realize that the maximum value that we can set by the default means of the system is 30 minutes. Thereby, if you would like to still be able to set it to never, you will probably need the help of the free Google Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's go ahead and download it. Open up your Play Store, at the search bar type in Caffeine just like so. Now download and install this very app. Now we can open it, and here all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set. And that will essentially mean that from now on your screen will not go to sleep automatically, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.